Out here cutting, you're going to inevitably have to do some maintenance on your saw. So your saw should have came with one of these. It's a chainsaw tool. We're going to pop the bar off. We're going to tighten up some pieces that have loosened up from the running. Show you what we're going to do. Now keep in mind it's been running, so this thing is hot. We're going to need to take the side plate off. These two bolts here is what holds your bar on, and also is what holds on your clutch assembly for your safety. It's got to be scalding hot. But when we get to it, we'll put on our motorcycle gloves. Okay. Screw number 1, we're going to put it right here where we can see it. Now, if you're out on your own land, you're going to want to learn how to do this because you're going to be in the woods quite a ways. And if you didn't come in there with a ATV or motorcycle or something, I've never seen anybody carry a chainsaw on a dirt bike, but I'm almost positive it's been done. So, unlock the brake, and this whole piece will come off. Okay, just like that. This is a clone saw. But inside here, guys, is going to be your mechanism to turn the chain. We're going to have our bar. And the way the clutch system works, see those little metal bands inside of there? If your hand was to ever come up and hit the back of that brake like this spring band is going to grab this wheel and hopefully stop it before you drive this saw through your leg or something. All right, get the bar off, push it back. Take the chain here, kind of get it off track. It's going to be difficult to do one-handed. That's okay. There we are. This is going to be a lot easier for you guys when you do it because you're going to have two hands, obviously. Here's your chain. Bar comes right off. Okay, plenty of oil in there. You inspect it, it ain't too messed up. Cool. Now this part here, you can see it, is actually what will grip into the log when you're cutting, so you can get your up and down motion to do your cut. But mine has come loose. We don't have any Loctite. So what we're gonna do, tighten these two screws right here. Once again, using the chainsaw tool. Keep in mind with this Chinese metal, it's soft metal. This is some sort of alloy, so I mean, you want to torque it, guys, but what I've found with my wrist, I can get right about, 7 pounds. Armstrong is right about 70 pounds. So just do it until it's strong with your wrist. Don't overdo it because you'll tear the threads out. If you have Loctite, be sure to use it. All right, that's right around 7 pounds of torque on that. And it's hissing because of the snow. So, we're going to put it together in the reverse order. Go ahead and put our bar on. Okay. Should be able to take the gloves off for this. Hopefully I don't get burned. And you want to put the chain on in the right direction. I'm not quite close enough to the camera, but you can put the chain on backwards. So if you need to see which way the chain goes, just be sure to go ahead and Google it. It would be finicky on camera, that's okay. Pull the bar. Make sure all the little bottom, what are those called, guides, go into the teeth of the bar. Okay. Okay, we're in. Okay, all right, we got smooth motion. Then you put your side piece back on like so. Make sure it's unlocked, because if it's not unlocked, this band will be tight and it will not go over the pulley. Okay. thinking in my head here, I'm gonna have to edit some of this out just because it's being finicky. Okay, there we go. That's on. Put our bolts on that hold on the clutch assembly, and they hold on the bar. Once that's on, we will go ahead and torque everything down. Okay, yeah, there we go. Okay. All right, check your chain tension. That's actually a little high. We're gonna back it off. Right about there. That should be good. Tighten everything down. I like to go front to back first and then just kind of split it between both of them. This particular saw has run out of gas. We may get it to fire up to do the test run for the camera. It's right about 7 pounds. Chain brake on. Let's see if we can start it. They say to start it on the ground, but you can do it this way.